You gotta ask inside, is this normal? Ask one of these
Look
people.
at these things. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh, look at this shit. What the fuck? Nobody seems alarmed. This is
God.
the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. Look at this. They're out of the fucking minds.
He's taking pictures of it also.
What the fuck? Look at them. Look at them. Look
They're
at them.
doing-
Look at them. Look at them.
everyone
Look at
else
them.
is
They're
doing
on
the
top
same
of these
thing.
cars. Look at them on top of the cars. On top of that white
Oh
car.
my God.
Oh my fucking God. Look at them on top of this truck. Look at them. They're just sitting there on top of this truck.
They're gonna be in here.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look.
Are you gonna go out to get the flowers?
I'm not getting out of the car. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Look at them all over the ground. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's like blackout. Look at them on top of these cars. This is so gross. And the sky is still filled with them. They're out of their minds. Holy shit.
All over our car now.
No, are they on the car? Look at them. Look at them. Ben, look. They're just all over the ground. People are just walking around doing their shopping like nothing is wrong.
Look at these guys, like right next door. They're just sitting right there.
Nobody seems to care.
Oh my God.